Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my puppy doesn't want me to do a video today and he just wants to show me some love. By the way, his name is Bentley and he's a pit bull, and everyone is scared of pit bulls, but they are the sweetest dogs you can ever get. Right, Popper? Go lay down. So the first product that I see in this box is Tarte Big Ego mascara, and it's black. This is how the box looks. It's really pretty. I did try it out on my lashes and it didn't give me the effect that it shows on a picture, but I'm really excited to see if I will try it out later on, if it will give me the volume that it says that it's supposed to give. And this is a full-size product and the price is $23. The next item I see is by Laurent, and it's a lip liner, and I believe the color is Vogue. This is how it looks. It's a wooden lip liner. It's not really creamy, but that's the color. And it is $15. The next item in the box is by Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It's pink inside. That's so weird. But it says it's illuminating, so I'm thinking that your face is supposed to be glowy after it. It gives you a little bit of a gloss. I'm really excited to see if it really moisturizes your skin, because I do have a combination skin. Next one is, oh, I didn't say how much it was. It is $42. The next item is by Becca Hydra Mist Satin Refresh Powder, and the color is, it doesn't have a color, or maybe I'm just blind. But when you open a box, this is the box of it. You open and it has a little thingy, and then you just pull out plastic top, and it has a lot of product on top. But this item retails for $39 and it's a full-size product. And the last two items that I got are by Ace Beauty, and it's Glimmer shadows. I got the colors Ice Latte and Cotton Candy. I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. So Ice Latte is a copper shade. It's really pretty. And the Cotton Candy is a pink shade, and it looks like it has gold shimmer in it. Wow, they are pretty. And that's all what I have for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.